Every day in the kitchen hides small leaks of time and money you barely notice. Tiny delays, wasted ingredients, tools that slow you down. Today, you will see Amazon kitchen gadgets built to streamline routines, cut waste, and make cooking feel smarter this year. If practical upgrades excite you, subscribe now, tap like, and leave a comment with your favorite pick. All product links are waiting in the description. Let us turn simple habits into efficient wins. That moment when cooking stops feeling creative and turns into pure repetition is where this tool steps in. The GUESMi electric food chopper is a compact kitchen processor designed to handle meat, vegetables, nuts, and more in seconds. With a powerful motor and dual bowl system, it lets you separate ingredients cleanly while keeping full control of texture and freshness. One bowl gives you instant visibility, the other handles heat with confidence, so every task feels intentional. Chopping onions becomes quick and tear-free. Preparing fillings turns smooth and precise. Even meal prep feels lighter, faster, and more organized. Cleanup does not linger either, because everything comes apart easily and rinses clean without stubborn residue. It quietly replaces multiple tools while giving you back time, order, and calm during every recipe. All of that lands at $29.99, a small kitchen upgrade that delivers daily efficiency without the premium price. Cooking pasta should feel smooth, not like a balancing act over the sink. The Gotham Steel 5-quart pasta pot is a multi-use cooker built to drain water safely without a separate strainer. Its smart glass lid locks with rotating handles, letting you pour with confidence while hands stay protected. The ceramic non-stick interior releases food cleanly, so nothing clings, burns, or turns cleanup into a chore. 2 straining sizes handle thin noodles or thicker foods with equal control. This pot works for pasta, soups, grains, or oven-finished dishes, all while keeping the process tidy and predictable. It replaces extra tools, saves counter space, and brings calm back to everyday cooking. A practical upgrade that feels premium, available today at $28.08. Meals move faster, portions stay controlled, and the kitchen looks cleaner even during busy dinners. Ice ruins a drink when it spills everywhere or smells like the freezer. This 3-pack silicone ice cube tray set brings order back. Each tray freezes evenly, releases clean cubes with a simple press, and seals with a lid that keeps flavors pure. Stack them neatly, save space, and enjoy coffee, cocktails, or meal prep that feels controlled and intentional. All that convenience comes together at $5.99, a small upgrade that quietly improves every glass you pour at home. Baking loses its magic the moment food sticks and cleanup takes over the kitchen. Katbite parchment paper brings control back to every tray and pan. This unbleached heavy-duty roll cuts cleanly with a built-in slide cutter, giving you perfect sheets without tearing or uneven edges. The surface releases baked goods smoothly, keeping flavors pure and pans spotless. It handles bread, cookies, air fryer meals, and steaming without curling or breaking. Strong enough to lift fresh loaves, flexible enough for daily prep, it quietly replaces foil and liners. At $15.29, this feels like a small upgrade that delivers calm, order, and consistency every time you cook. Tea feels different when the process slows down and becomes part of the moment. The CNGLASS glass teapot is designed for loose leaf and blooming tea, letting you watch color and aroma develop with clarity. Its removable stainless steel infuser keeps leaves contained while flavors open naturally. The smooth spout pours cleanly, the handle feels balanced, and the wooden lid stays comfortable to touch. Made of heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it moves easily between stovetop, microwave, and table. It turns daily tea into a quiet ritual, perfect for sharing or unwinding alone. That refined experience comes together at $21.99, a thoughtful upgrade that feels calm, intentional, and timeless in any kitchen. Hot oil popping across the stove turns cooking into a defensive move. The BergKoch splatter screen creates a calm barrier between you and sizzling pans. Its fine stainless steel mesh blocks grease while releasing steam, keeping food crisp without trapping moisture. It fits most cookware, protects hands, and keeps counters clean while you focus on timing and flavor. Odors stay lighter, cleanup stays minimal, and frying feels controlled again. When the pan cools, it goes straight into the dishwasher without fuss. All that peace in the kitchen comes together at $9.99. A simple tool that quietly restores comfort and confidence every time heat goes up. A coffee bar feels unfinished when bottles look messy and every pour feels random. This glass coffee syrup dispenser set brings order and intention to every cup. The weighted glass bottles stay steady, the black tray keeps everything aligned, and the large capacity pump delivers the same measured pour each time. No guessing, no sticky counters, just smooth control over flavor and balance. Clear labels make every syrup easy to spot, turning mornings into a calm, repeatable ritual. It feels refined, practical, and visually clean on any countertop. That upgrade lands at $27.99, a small detail that makes homemade coffee feel curated and confidently premium every single day. Weeknight cooking often feels like a race against the clock, especially when meals need time, heat, and patience. The KOBACH stainless steel pressure cooker changes that rhythm completely. This 8-quart stovetop cooker uses sealed pressure to transform tough ingredients into tender, flavorful dishes in a fraction of the usual time. The lid locks smoothly with one hand, giving you confidence and control the moment cooking begins. Inside, clear measurement lines guide every recipe, while the solid steel body distributes heat evenly across gas or induction surfaces. Multiple safety valves quietly manage pressure, so the process feels secure and predictable. Stews, grains, beans, and proteins finish faster while holding texture and richness. Cleanup stays simple with dishwasher-friendly steel, and the upright lid design keeps counters clean. All of this performance and peace of mind comes together at $106.99, a serious kitchen upgrade that pays you back in saved time and better meals every single week. Frying at home often feels messy and unpredictable, especially with oil and timing. The Oster Sangerfield deep fryer set brings structure back to the process. This stainless steel pot with a fitted basket lets oil drain cleanly into the pan, keeping results crisp without excess grease. Riveted handles feel solid and balanced, while the deep design handles small or medium batches with confidence. It works for frying, boiling, and everyday cooking on most stovetops, delivering steady heat and reliable control. That dependable setup comes in at $33.44, a practical upgrade that makes home frying feel worth repeating. Air fryer meals feel great until cleanup ruins the mood. Katbite air fryer paper liners change that part of the routine instantly. These thick disposable liners sit neatly inside dual baskets, catching grease and crumbs while letting hot air circulate properly. Food lifts out clean, flavors stay pure, and the basket stays spotless. They handle roasting, baking, reheating, and quick dinners without sticking or leaking. Prep feels faster, cleanup feels effortless, and your air fryer stays looking new. For everyday cooking that feels lighter and more organized, this simple upgrade delivers real relief, and it all comes together at $11.99, a small kitchen detail that saves time every single day. Mornings feel different when fresh juice does not require chopping, noise, or extra cleanup. The Aeitto cold press juicer is built to handle whole fruits and vegetables through a wide self-feeding chute, cutting prep time in half. Drop in apples, oranges, or greens, and let the machine do the work while you stay focused on your day. Its slow extraction process preserves natural flavor and texture, delivering smooth juice that feels clean and balanced with every sip. The design keeps everything intuitive, using fewer parts that assemble quickly and rinse clean in moments. Safety stays built in, automatically stopping when opened, adding peace of mind in busy kitchens. Each glass feels intentional, fresh, and satisfying, without turning your counter into a mess. At $89.99, this becomes a smart daily ritual upgrade that brings consistency, control, and real freshness back to every pour. A coffee station feels complete when spills stop and everything stays in place. This silicone coffee bar mat creates a stable, heat-resistant base for your machine while protecting the counter underneath. The raised edge catches drips, the surface grips securely, and the detachable drying mat keeps cups and tools neatly organized. It even softens vibration, making mornings quieter and cleaner. All of that comfort and order comes together at $18.89, a subtle upgrade that makes every coffee moment feel composed. Frying and boiling feel more controlled when the right tool is in your hand. The Hiware stainless steel spider strainer lifts food quickly while leaving oil and water behind. Its wide wire bowl scoops generously, while the long handle keeps a safe distance from heat and splatter. Fries come out crisp, pasta drains clean, and soups stay clear without clouding the pot. The balanced weight feels steady during use, the steel keeps its shape over time, and storage stays simple with a hanging loop or quick dishwasher rinse. That kind of everyday kitchen confidence comes at $9.49, a small tool that makes hot cooking feel calm, precise, and consistently reliable again. Serving drinks feels elevated when presentation matches the moment. The Nuogo glass drink dispenser set turns any gathering into a polished experience. With two crystal-clear dispensers resting on sturdy stands, guests can serve themselves smoothly, while the table stays organized. The wide opening makes refills easy. The metal spigot pours cleanly, and the vintage glass design lets colorful drinks become part of the decor. Lemonade, iced tea, or sangria look inviting and intentional, whether for parties or everyday hosting. Nothing feels rushed or messy, just calm flow and visual balance. That refined serving setup comes together at $73.99, a statement piece that brings elegance and confidence to every pour. Small kitchens feel lighter when one tool replaces four. This rotating colander and bowl set brings structure to washing, draining, prepping, and storing food in one clean system. The stainless steel strainer pivots as you pour, staying level so ingredients never spill out. Drop it into the bowl, rinse rice or vegetables, then drain smoothly without juggling pieces. The removable center fits greater inserts, turning the lid into a quick prep surface for cheese or vegetables right over the bowl. Everything feels stable, balanced, and intentional, even when moving fast. The non-slip base keeps it steady on the counter, while the wide opening drains water quickly and cleanly. It saves space, reduces clutter, and makes everyday prep feel calm and efficient. At $19.99, this is a compact kitchen upgrade that delivers order, control, and satisfaction every time you cook. Homemade yogurt feels different when you control every step. This yogurt maker creates smooth, probiotic-rich batches using steady heat and precise timing, so results stay consistent every time. Two glass containers make sharing simple while flavors stay clean and fresh. The clear lid lets you check progress, then it shuts off automatically and waits. Add fruit, honey, or nuts, and turn each batch into something personal and nourishing. At $59.99, this becomes a thoughtful daily upgrade that supports balance, routine, and better habits right at home. Cooking feels lighter when your kitchen works with you. This ceramic cookware set brings clean design and everyday efficiency into one smart system. The detachable handle clicks on securely, letting pans move easily between stove, oven, table, and storage while saving cabinet space. Food releases smoothly with less oil, heat spreads evenly, and cleanup takes only a quick rinse or dishwasher cycle. The soft cream finish adds calm to the kitchen. All of that comes together at $37.99, a practical upgrade that feels modern and refreshingly simple. Cooking feels smoother when cleanup stops being a concern. The Keechee bamboo cutting board is designed for everyday prep with the rare comfort of dishwasher-safe care. It stays slim, light, and sturdy, moving easily between counter and sink without warping. One side handles chopping and slicing, the other doubles as a clean serving surface when guests arrive. No splinters, no lingering odors, just a calm, reliable base for daily meals. That balance of function and style comes together at $29.99, a small upgrade that quietly improves every moment you spend in the kitchen. Oven mess builds up quietly until cleaning turns into a full chore. These reusable oven liners stop spills before they become baked-on problems. Placed at the bottom, they catch drips, grease, and overflow while heat circulates normally. The thick non-stick surface wipes clean in seconds or goes straight into the dishwasher, ready to be used again. They fit most ovens and can be trimmed for a precise match, keeping the interior looking cared for and organized. Cooking feels lighter when cleanup is no longer waiting at the end. All of that protection comes at $7.98, a simple habit change that keeps your oven clean and stress-free year after year. Frying at home feels better when it stays simple, clean, and predictable. The Presto FryDaddy electric deep fryer is built for small kitchens and everyday cravings, delivering crispy results without wasting oil or space. It reaches the right temperature automatically and holds it steady, so fries, chicken, or onion rings cook evenly every time. The compact design uses just a few cups of oil, making setup faster and cleanup easier. A ceramic non-stick interior keeps food from clinging, while the included scoop lifts and drains portions smoothly, ready to serve. Preheat is quick, recovery stays strong, and the solid aluminum body feels dependable meal after meal. When cooking ends, the handle folds, the lid snaps on, and storage stays tidy with no lingering odors. For weeknights, snacks, or casual gatherings, it turns frying into a controlled, repeatable routine. All of that comfort and consistency comes together at $44.99, a compact kitchen upgrade that delivers satisfying results without the bulk or hassle.